Okay, so now we're gonna boot up the actual system. You can just tap it twice, it'll boot up. This might take a while, so I might cut into the video if this takes too long. You can see these capture keyboard messages. You can just press them away. Okay, so that's pretty quick. So your password, if you got the image from the same place as I got, your password will be reserve or reverse. Sorry, reverse. This actually took a while. I may have cut it in this video. Okay, so this is Ubuntu. It's not as scary as it looks. It is pretty graphical. I will full screen this. So we mostly will be working from the terminal, which you can get by using the dash home button and type in terminal, or it was already here on the left side. So terminal. So this will bring you to the Linux terminal. The great thing about Linux instead of Windows is that it has Python up and running straight from the get-go. So I can start Python from the terminal. I can make it do Python-like things. Let me see. This is the button. Now what we want to install for the first time is pip, because pip is a package manager for Python which allows us to easily import all sorts of libraries, and we're going to need some to install Beautiful Soup for web scraping or Unicode CSV for writing to spreadsheets. And the easiest way to get pip is to open up the browser, and as you can see, this virtual machine is a lot slower than a normal machine. And you can experiment with different Ubuntu versions to get the speed more up to something that is nice. Just Google for pip install or how to install pip. And you'll be able to download a file called getpip. This one. So just place it somewhere that you can easily reach using the terminal. So, you know, your document folder could be that place. Maybe we want to create a folder called Python for our various scripts, and we'll call it getpip. So this is a big file. So there's a lot of stuff happening behind the scenes. So what you want to do is to get to this documents folder. I'm just going to try if this works. You can drag. Yeah, so you can drag a folder into the terminal and it will automatically give its path. So you can just do cd for change directory and drag a path and it'll fill up. So in this case our file is called getpith and it's a Python file and it's going to install things, so you want to sudo that, and sudo means give this script administrator rights, so allow it to pull files into the system to change things around. It's a very powerful command, so you shouldn't sudo everything, but in this case you should sudo this one. And next up, this is a Python script, so we have to say, well, Python, run me this getpip file. Because there's only one file in this directory, we can just type in the first two letters and press the tab key, and it will autocomplete for us. So if I press enter now, it will install pip. After, of course, giving you the prompt for their password, which is reverse. Okay, so it's successfully installed, it's cleaning up, and now you can do things like sudo pip install. So pip is your package manager, and you can say, well, install this for me, and things like Beautiful Soup for, and the same for Unicode SCV. Okay, now you're good to go and run any of the Python files that it's placed on the blackboard, so you can start using Python to scrape data and other things.